Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's learn the shortcut tricks to find the percentages. It is part 2. In the previous video also we have seen few tricks. Let's see some more tricks in this video now. To convert percent into fraction, we have to divide it by 100. The easy trick, first you have to remember this. Convert percent into 100, always divide it by 100. For example, if you want to convert 50% into fraction, so 50%, 50 by 100. So reduce it to the lowest terms, cancel 0 in the denominator and in the numerator. Denominator 0, numerator, so it is 5 by 10. Again reduce it to lower term, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So it is 1 by 2. So 50% is equal to half, 1 by 2. How to convert a fraction into percentage? Here we have to multiply it by 100. The given fraction we have to multiply by 100 to convert it to percentage. Let's consider 1 by 4 fraction. Let us convert it into percentage now. 1 by 4 into 100. Now we will reduce it to the lowest terms. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. And here 2 carry over we will get. So 20 it will be. That means 4 fives are 20. Therefore, 1 by 4 is same as 25% or 25% equals to 1 by 4. So, in these two slides, we have seen converting the percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage. Both the values will be same. Here, this chart will try to remember when fraction is converted to percent or percentage is converted to fraction, what's the value we have to remember. For example, this is 1 whole, which is equals to 100%, or 1 by 1 also you can consider and 100%. This is half, 1 by 2, which is equals to 50%. If you consider this, it is 1 by 3 or 1/3, which is equals to 33.3%. 1 by 4 is equals to 25%, or 25% is same as 1 by 4. This is 1 by 5, which is equals to 20%. Means 1 by 5 into 100 if you are doing, we'll get the answer to be as 20%. 1 by 6, the same manner, 1 by 6 into 100 when we do, we get 16.6% as the answer. Now 1 by 7, it will be equal to 14.28%. 1 by 8, the percentage is 12.5%. That means in the fraction 1 by 8 and in the percentage which is equals to 12.5%. 1 by 9, it is 11.11%. 1 by 10, it is 10%. 3 by 4, which is equals to 75%. And 2 by 3, which is equals to 66.6%. If you are remembering all these fractions and the percentage, you can convert percent to fraction and percentage to fraction in a very easy way, and it will save lot of your time. Especially during the competitive exams, directly by looking at the question, you can write the answer. I want you all to remember all these things. If I say 1 by 3, in percentage 33.3%. If I say 11.11%, which is equals to 1 by 9 as fraction. If I say 75%, it's equals to 3 by 4. If I say 50%, which is equals to 1 by 2, you should remember. This chart is very, very useful and it will be very helpful to you. What is 33% of 210? By using the chart what we are having in the first slide, using that we'll try to solve this one. Now, in general, how do we do 33.3 by 100 into 210? We have to cancel 0 here, numerator, denominator, reduce it to lowest terms and then solve it. It will be very lengthy, so I have crossed out that. Let's see how do we do. So 33.3% is 1 by 3 from the chart, isn't it? So now what we'll do, 33.3, we will replace it by 1 by 3. Of means multiplication into 210. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 zeros are 0. So our answer is 70. It will be very easy. The calculation also, you can do it in a very easy way. Now, what is 12.5% of 488? Same. General method 12.5 by 100 into 488. We are not doing like this. So what is 12.5% in fraction? It is 1 by 8. So directly we'll replace 12.5% with 1 by 8 of means into 488. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48 and 8 1s are 8. So it is 61. So 12.5% of 488 is 61. What is 25% of 840? In general, how do we do 25 by 100 into 840 or reduce it to the lowest terms? I crossed out. Instead of that, recall from the chart. 25% means it's 1 by 4, quarter. Therefore, we write 25% as 1 by 4 of means multiplication into 840. So when we cancel, reduce it, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 and 4 zeros are 0. That means 210 is our answer. Lot of time will be saved by doing in this method. Now what is 11.11% of 279? Same, if you are reducing, it takes lot of time. So 1 by 9, 11.11% is 1 by 9. So we will replace 11.11 by 1 by 9 into 279. So it will be 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 9 1s are 9, which is equals to 31. It will be very, very easy if you are practicing. The only thing what you have to do is remember the chart which has been given in the first slide. Here we are converting the fraction into percentage now. In the previous video we have converted the percentage into fraction. This also will convert using the chart which you have seen in the starting slides. So 1 by 6 into percentage, recall the chart, 1 by 6 is equals to 16.6%. Directly you can write the answer. If not, how do we do it? 1 by 6 into 100, converting to the percentage. So when we reduce it to the lowest term, 6 1s are 6, and here we'll be getting 16.6 itself as the same answer. You can check in the calculator also, you'll get the same answer. So it's better to remember 1 by 6 means 16.6. Now convert 1 by 5 into percentage. So 1 by 5, recall the chart. 5 2s are 10, isn't it? So 1 by 5 is same as 20%. So directly you can write the answer if you remember the chart. If not, 1 by 5 into 100, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. So same, 20% you will be getting as answer. But once you remember it, during the competitive exams, it will be very helpful for you to directly write the answer. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.